Friends, hello and namaste. Welcome to the program today. Till now, I have been introducing you to various Deshi and Videshi authors. And I think by this time, you would have been a little bit bored listening to those introductions. That is why what I have decided today is, instead of introducing any particular author, I will be introducing you all to a particular line of writing which, though read by all, young and old, was never too popular. It was very popular, but never accepted by the critics as a very refined line of literature. Any guesses? Yes, you have guessed it correctly. Today I shall be talking to you all about detective stories and mystery stories. Tell me, who amongst us would leave a detective story in midway? At least I would not. Before starting the episode, I would say that I have with me this thick book of about 800 pages which I was recently rereading. This is a collection of Bengali detective stories. There are totally 75 in number, and these are all chronologically published. This book and a recent discussion with one of my friends who suggested that why don't you do an episode on Bengali detectives have prompted me to make this episode. So before I start today, a big thanks to my friend and also to this particular book. For the records, the first detective story was written by Edgar Allan Poe, an American, in the year 1841 when he created his detective Auguste Dupin. The French detective Monsieur Lecoq appeared in 1868, and in 1887 Sir Arthur Conan Doyle had created Master Detective Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson, taking the detective fiction at a different level. Time to see what was happening in Bengali literature. Critics say that the first detective stories in Bengali was written in 1892. This means it was only 5 years after the creation of Sherlock Holmes, and that is, the Bengali fictional detective is of same vintage as their English counterparts. Priyonath Mukherjee was the first to write detective stories. He wrote a series, and do you know how many books are there in that series? It has crossed the double century mark. In fact, there are 206 stories in which he wrote. Of course, today's standards, Priyonath Mukherjee would not be considered as a fictional detective writer because he wrote from his own experiences and notes. He was a senior inspector in Calcutta Police Headquarters. He wrote under the name of Daroga Doctor. Daroga being the Bengali nomenclature for inspector, and all his works are in 2 big volumes. And you will be surprised that these are still available and sold by Amazon and Flipkart. And for non-Bengali readers, you can read some of his translations from a particular website called scroll.in. I have not read his volumes, but I have read his story from the book that I have with me and some translations from scroll.in. It is very interesting to note about the criminals and their methodology in the late 19th century as well as the early 20th century. Of course, the language is not contemporary, and we are not accustomed to that type of language. Amongst early detective story writers, there is Kaliprashanna Chatterjee, who wrote about another successful police officer called Bakaullah. He has put his writings as a series under Bakaullah Doctor. Panchkodi De has written about 25 books, and he may be termed as the first fictional detective writer. His books were very popular. They had names like Mayabini, Hottakari K, that means who is the murderer, Neel Boshana Shundari means the beauty in blue dress. After them came Dinendranath Roy, which is Robert Blake's series. You can imagine the popularity when I say there are 217 books in that particular series. And Dinendranath Roy was also the first amongst all the Bengali writers to start translations of English detective serials. Then came a particular time when the publishing houses, particularly one called Dev Sahitya Kutir, started their own detective series like Kanchanjunga series, Krishna series, which was unique because it had a lady detective, Prohelika series, etc. These were very popular and written by various authors. The publishing house understood the popularity of detective books and did their best to keep the interest of the public through these books. No talk about detective stories is complete until and unless we mention the books by Shopan Kumar. These were for the masses, printed on paperbacks, very thin books and cheap paper, and I think they were priced at around 50 paisa. Somewhat like the British penny novels. The detective was Deepak Chatterjee and his assistant was Ratan Lal. I still remember as a schoolboy being glued to the exploits of Deepak Chatterjee and his assistant. Till date I do not know what is the actual name of Shopan Kumar. Sharadindur Bandyopadhyay created his famous detective Shotanneshi, Byomkesh Bakshi and writer Ajit, and I think they are amongst the most popular Bengali fictional detectives. In stepped Dr. Nihar Ranjan Gupta with his Kiriti Roy series. The detective was Kiriti Roy and his friend Subroto. There are 80 books in the series, and in many of them these two lock horns with the fictional villain Kalo Bhromor or the Black Bumblebee. Rajshekhar Bosu, a famous writer of Bengali literature who is mainly known for his satires, has in his detective story Neel Tara or the Blue Star has brought Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson to Calcutta, where they meet a young school teacher called Rakhal Mustafi with great power of observation. Holmes discusses the case with Rakhal Mustafi and is also appreciative of the powers of the young man as he helps in solving the case. All of us are proud of Satyajit Ray as the master filmmaker for his achievements in films, and almost all of us are aware of his detective creations, the famous trio of the Sav Pradosh Chandra Mitra, Aka Feluda, Topesh Ranjan Mitra or Topshe, his nephew, and the writer Lal Mohan Ganguly. To give it a little twist, Satyajit Ray has introduced the character of Lal Mohan Ganguly as a crime story writer. Ray used to publish one Feluda adventure every year during the Puja time, and it used to be published in the Puja special of Desh, the popular Bengali magazine, and all of us, we used to eagerly wait for his stories. Satyajit Ray has made 2 films of Feluda, and his son Sandeep Ray has made a living by making Feluda films only. All of us are very much aware of the writings of Somoresh Bosu, the famous Bengali author. He has written different types of books and has been a very successful and popular author. He has written short stories, he has written travelogues, etc. But how many of us know about Detective Ashok Thakur and his cases? This was a creation of Somoresh Bosu, and I believe there are more than 15 stories. There are many other writers, both famous and not so famous, who have written detective stories. In fact, one particular author had created a detective called Parijat Bakshi, who is supposedly a nephew of Byomkesh Bakshi, the famous Chhattarnishi. Detectives in Bengali fiction and come in many hues and shapes. Some are pure Bengali Bhadralok wearing dhoti and kurta like Byomkesh Bakshi. Some are having smoking pipe and are dressed in the European style like Kiriti Roy, and some are married, some are bachelors. But one trademark has always been there, that all the detectives usually had their assistants and the police always used to take help from them. Having said so much about the Bengali detective fiction, the question that comes to my mind is, why did so many famous authors tried their hands in writing detective stories? When I think through, I find the following may be the possible reasons. In a particular detective story, there is an intelligent villain who creates a crime where the author has to create a spider's web, and a more intelligent detective who has to unwind the spider's web. This must be a very thrilling thing for the author, and the author also would be enjoying writing such story. Secondly, what happens is, detective story being so popular amongst all sections of the readers would have attracted the authors, because if you are a successful detective story writer, your popularity will increase. Thirdly, what happens is, the writers always try to write on different subjects. Then why not write on a particular subject which is as old as mankind? Having said so many things about Bengali detectives, now this particular branch of literature, which is more than 125 years old, is currently facing a downturn. This is because of other types of entertainment that have become popular nowadays. But as an eternal optimist, I would always say that this is only a temporary phase, and detective stories will be again going on their upward swing. Before I conclude, I will tell you a very short story. In a particular country, there is only one detective book which is available with the royal doctor, and the doctor is going through it. The king wants to read the story, and after trying all his level best to get the book from the doctor, kills the doctor and takes possession of the book. Once he gets the book in his hand, he starts going through it and is almost devouring the book page by page. The only problem is, the pages are glued together and he has to use his saliva to extract the pages, unglue the pages. As he comes to the end of the book, he starts feeling uncomfortable, and as he reads the last line, he falls dead. What he has read is, the doctor, knowing that the king is going to take away the book and kill him, has fixed the pages with poisoned glue to take his revenge. So finally, before signing off, I would again request you all that in case you would have any topic on which you would like to hear, please let me know. I will definitely try and do an episode on that. So namaste all of you. Thank you. See you next time.